Hello everyone, today I have a short story for you, a little bit of a tip actually, to help you with making better photos and videos. And this is a very short video and there's only one thing to say to you. You ready for this? And don't beat up on me if you disagree, because this is 100% true. Roll the intro. So what's the tip? Well, to make better videos and create better photos, all you have to do is ask yourself, why are you taking this photo? Why are you creating this video? If you haven't got a good answer, it's probably not a good reason, or it's not going to turn out well. But if you can really justify and work out why you're so passionate maybe about creating this video or creating this photo, go right ahead. That's my tip. Ask yourself, why are you doing it? Cheers. Short one. See you later. Bearer traffic, truck 6340 enters, lines up, rolls runway 12, bearer traffic.